How to turn off Windows Hello on your Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily turn off or disable Windows Hello. So if you're also facing issue or certain condition where you are not seeing your password option on your settings, so just head over to settings first, and once inside your settings, just head over to the account section. So just tap on that, and from over here select sign in option from the left section, and as you can see there is no password option currently as my Windows Hello pin is enabled. So that means that my password is disabled. So for now I'll simply tap on this disable option over here, which will automatically disable my Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts. So now I'll simply restart my settings. So let me just quickly show you what I mean. So I will simply once again type in for settings and just head over to the same section, that is account, and select this sign in option from the left section once again. And as you can see, currently there are two different options available, that is password as well as picture password. That is because I have disabled the Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts. So you can easily re-enable it by simply tapping on button over here, just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.